Oh my God, that is a beautiful. Viewers, welcome back to another episode of Don's Fishing Adventures. We're out here on the river, Swan River. It's early morning, well now the sun's come up a bit, and we're just going for a bit of bottom bashing. I really like the conditions because it's just coming down from a high tide. The current is going out to the ocean. There's not much wind, so even on the drift I will be going with the current, and that's what you want to be doing. Some paddle tails, some other soft plastics. I've got some of these white grubs as well. Cast it out away from the boat, let it hit the bottom and let it just bounce on the bottom. Very important. Every now and then lift it and then let it sit back on the bottom of the sandbags. Anyway, let's give it a shot. I am pretty excited. If this doesn't work, I'll go out to the ocean and get a couple of calamari, but I am very keen. We're going to get a nice flathead or maybe a flounder. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I just stopped the engine now. We're on the drift. We are moving out that way. I've got to be careful because there's a channel here. I don't want to hit any boats. Anyway, so I got one of these grubs. I've probably got it upside down. Yeah, I'm no professional. Just chuck it on, and if it works, it's great. If it doesn't, I'm not alright. These, another grub tail. Again, the weight I'm really not too sure. I think this is a 1/8. It's enough to hit the bottom. Got two rods out. Why not? You know, I mean, one on the drift, one's smashed in the bottom. This one here I have in my hand, slowly twitching it up and down. Hopefully there's a bit of movement. So this one is going up and down already. I'll try and get that camera so you can see it. Whoa! Oh, that was a bit of... The drag was too loose. Ooh, a couple of bites. Okay, we're on. That was quick. Now, I might cross my other line. Oh no, your mother! He came off. Oh! Really good weight. Really good weight. Oh, that sucks. And you can see he grabbed it and the tail has been pulled off a bit. Oh, that really sucks. Damn it. Everyone knows that feeling of losing a nice fish. It was a solid fish. I think it could have been a flathead or possibly a flounder, but pointless worrying about what you lost. Concentrate what you're going to get. Oh, there you go. I better just shut up and concentrate fishing. Yes. I don't know what it is. We're mucking around for a fair bit. We've got a fish. It's coming up now. I hope it's a flathead or a flounder. Oh my God. That is a beautiful. Oh. Whoa. This is what we're talking about. Look at that. Okay, mate. Woo, woo. Shit. That, my friend, is a flathead. Woo! Beautiful. Just out here in the Swan River, just mucking around. He's a monster, he's a keeper. Yeah. So, check this bubby out. And he just scoffed this little brown soft plastic. And I was just drifting off here, thinking of going out to the ocean for a bit of squidding. But I thought I'd just give this a shot. And he is one pearler. Let's get him out in the sun. There you go, one pearler of a flathead. I'm going to measure him, and that is just an absolute ripper of a fish out here in the Swan River. I'm so stoked because I'm just mucking around. You just never know what's going to happen. I was targeting flathead, flounder maybe, but the tide is going out, the drift is with the boat, with the current, and this little paddle tail grub lookalike come up with the goods. Let's measure him up. Yeah, so he's gone 52 centimeters, and he's going to be really some nice fillets. I don't want to say that, but there's my biggest personal best flathead. Woohoo! Fucking do, I love these kind of days. Yeah. I'm at it, and I might get a feed of mussels too. Go cooking. I'm just going to be cleaning up this flathead we caught. Another juicy fillet. Oh, I got you. So at the same time, I'm just going to clean only a handful of mussels. Very easy. I've already scrubbed them, so you just got to pull out the beards. There we go. Nice and easy. Pan on, garlic in there. There we go. Chuck them in. Right. Cover it up. Chili ready. So I got that there. So they've all opened up and all the fluids are coming out and they're starting to open up. There you go. Oh. Chopped up tomatoes. There we go. And some beautiful fresh pasta from the garden. Put the lid back on. Really coming nice there. See that? That's what you want. See? Not overcooked. I'm going to steal this one. Oh, mate. Sorry. Spot on. Look at that. Look at that one. Hey? Look at that. That's what we're talking about. Put them in the plain flour. Right. It's beautiful. So I'll put this aside. I'm going to cook them up. Hotly fried. Nothing too much. Put it in. I don't know, probably skin side down first. Nice chunks of flathead. So I just turn them upside down now. Oh, look at that skin. Oh yeah. It's looking pretty good. Right, so that's really working up a treat. That nice caramelisation happening there. That looks beautiful. A bit of salt to finish it off. Let's eat. Right, these are beauty mussels. They came out really nice. Right out here. Yeah, Mum's got her piece and this one here too. I'll grab to that. lemon. Let's just check this out, how it's come up. Oh man, that's juicy. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh wow. This fish is good. This flathead. Right. Then you got the mussels to come with it. What else do you want? Anyway, this is what I do on the weekends. If I get some, I share it for the family, friends. If you like what I'm doing, hit me head. We'll see you next time. Great time. Tastes good.